Hello everyone, and welcome back to Stuff in Excel. I'm Richard, and what we're going to look at today is how to see the file extensions in Windows. Sometimes you go to your file, go to Windows, you can see the file icon, you can see the file name in either your desktop or in Windows Explorer, but you cannot see the extensions. If you look at the files that are on screen, you can see I know the file name, but I cannot see the extension. And there may be times when I need to be able to see that extension. I may need to edit that extension or change that extension. And so I'm going to show you what to do when Windows is not showing you the extensions to those files. Now, it's very easy. We're simply going to open up Windows Explorer and we're going to go on the menu line over to the word View. Now, in the old Windows, you had to go down to the search line, you had to type in Files, you had to look for File Explorer Options, and then go to View. Well, now View is right here on the screen. All you have to do is click the down arrow, go down to Show, and one of the options is File Name Extensions. And you will notice on my screen, File Name Extensions is not clicked. All I have to do is click File Name Extensions, and those File Name Extensions automatically come back, and I'm able to see them and edit them. Hopefully that was very helpful. We'll see you again real soon right here on Stuff in Excel.